Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another tutorial for you guys, and today we are doing one of my favorite methods of all time, and that is dip powder. So thank you to Double Dip for sending me all these amazing dip powders. I did choose all these colors, so I'm just showing you guys all the colors that I chose. And I love Double Dip because they're such great quality dip powders, and you can also use them as acrylic powders as well. So I love how versatile it is, and they're just so fine. They're very great quality, and they're easier to shape than many other dip powders I've tried. So I'm just showing you all the colors, and they're absolutely gorgeous. I absolutely love Double Dip. I do have a coupon code that I will have here linked on the screen if you are interested in purchase anything from them. So I hope you all enjoy this tutorial, and thank you guys so much for watching. So today I will be using some nail tips, and I absolutely love these. These are the squared C curve nail tips that I did get on Amazon. I will have everything linked down below for you all. I decided to go for 637, the color called Rise and Shine. It's very spring vibes, so I decided to go for this pastel yellow. Absolutely stunning, and I hope you all enjoy the final results of the nails because I absolutely love them. So the first step is the base. So we're going to be applying this onto the nail 3/4 of the way and just dipping it into the dip powder at a 45-degree angle and just building the nail up depending on the length. I did have to do a total of 4 coats for this particular nail look just because the nails were long, and I absolutely loved these nail tips. They were super affordable and they're really beautiful. I'm obsessed with tapered square at the moment, so I just wanted to do a look like this. And this is not, it's long but not extremely long, so it was more like in between, so I really loved the length as well. And by the way guys, I forgot to mention I did not prep my nails. I just applied a peel off coat and then applied these nail tips with some base coat on top, and that was all. I didn't prep or anything. In some videos I will be showing my prep, and others I'll just get straight into the tutorial just to switch it up a bit. So now that I'm done building the nails up to my liking, now I'm going to go in with the activator, and this is going to harden and ensure that the nails are ready and strong and sturdy enough to be shaped and filed. So here are what the nails look like after I am done building them. And here is what the nails look like after they've been shaped and filed. And I'm just so proud of the shape. You know, it's not perfect, but it's getting there, and just seeing my improvement, it really, really makes me happy. So these are what the nails look like. And now we're moving on to the activator once more, just to ensure that everything is compacted well and secure and strong. And that is what I am doing here, just applying that second layer after they've been shaped and filed of activator. And now I will be using water decals once again, and this time I am using black and white outline butterflies. So I'm just cutting out the ones that I desire, and then I'm just gonna put them in some water for a couple seconds. So now I'm just gonna apply them onto the nail to my liking. I'm gonna be placing them on, and then I'm gonna move on to applying the top coat. I didn't end up using their top coat. I just went ahead and used mine because I did use these decals, and I didn't know if the top coat for the dip powder was going to be too strong and destroy my decals, so I decided to just go ahead and use my own top coat. Look how beautiful this looks. I absolutely loved this tutorial. The way that this nail look turned out, it's so easy, so simple, yet so beautiful. I absolutely loved it. And the yellow, that pastel yellow, is to die for. So here I'm just using my favorite top coat at the moment, and this one is by Nail Addict LA, and this is a no wipe top coat. I will have a 55% off coupon code if you guys are interested in purchasing anything off their site. I recommend you check them out, and it's a great discount off your purchase. Now I'm moving on to some rhinestone action once again, and I've been obsessed with this like minimal dainty kind of rhinestone look. So I'm just applying some caviar beads after I've applied my rhinestones. Just something cute and simple to go with this look, and then that'll be all for this tutorial. I'll just go in and cure everything under the UV lamp for 60 seconds. So now I'm just applying some cuticle oil, and these are available on my Etsy shop. Everything will be linked down below in the description if you guys are interested. So this is all for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on those notification bells to get notified every single time I upload. Thank you all so much for watching. Till next time.